welcome. So now we'll go to third chapter, which is how to approach product development. So, as per Jeff Bezos, he there are certain like strategies which we need to apply. Like he applies in Amazon. So, uh, big things start small. Okay, work with a passion and step to step process, enjoy the journey, and things take time, there are no shortcuts. Okay, uh, do those steps with passion, energy, and ferocity. We've already explained what is ferocity. It is step by step with passion and ferociously moving towards the goal. It is good to have idea, but turning that idea into a product or a business is really hard. It takes persistence and relentlessness. Like relentless, it takes persistence. We need to be very persistent in this combination of stubborn, relentless, flexibility. You have to know when to use which one. You need to know that. Okay, you need to be stubborn on your vision, otherwise it will be too easy to give up. So you need to be fixed on goal, but be flexible to to the journey, like when you're approaching it. Okay, then you need to be very flexible on details also. Okay, because details sometimes we have to adjust, change. As you go along, you will come to know that some of the preconceptions you had were wrong. You have to change them. That's why you need to be very flexible. Taking idea and turning idea into product which changes people's lives, it is a lot of hard work. It is not a simple thing. Okay, you have to do the hard work to change people's life. Be passionate, have lot of energy about every single step. Have lot of energy when you're going for it, and you will achieve, you will be successful. Okay, so let us go to the fourth step, which is world class quality and marketing. Think different by Steve Jobs. Let's learn from it. So kindly write in the comment section what have you learned, how you're going to apply this in your project. So thank you so much. Let's meet in next chapter number 4. Thank you.